Hi everyone, bad car symptoms here. The crankshaft in your car's engine is laid on bearings. When these bearings wear out, it's good to recognize it on time in order to avoid bigger and more costly engine damage. This video should hopefully help you do that. So stay tuned. Bad car symptoms. A reduced engine performance. The first symptom of bad crankshaft bearings is reduced engine performance. It much seems as if the engine is running on a bad batch of fuel, for instance. The gas pedal response, the acceleration, and else is noticeably worse than usual. Over time, this gets worse. Engine overheating. Besides lower engine performance, there might be engine overheating also. It's not the dramatic kind of overheating where it happens in minutes. Instead, the temperature gauge always shows temperatures just above normal. A grinding and ticking noise coming from the engine. Next, you might start noticing a subtle grinding and ticking noise from the engine bay. At first, it will be barely noticeable, but as the problem gets worse, the sound will become louder. The grinding noise resembles a bad alternator bearing, for instance. When you hear this is the time to make an inspection of what's wrong in order to save the engine from further bigger damage. Engine knocking. After the grinding and ticking sounds appear, the knocking sound usually appears. The knocking is barely noticeable at first, but as the problem gets worse, it becomes louder and louder. The engine knocking is definitely the time to start solving the problem and stop driving the car. If it comes to a loud knocking sound, then it's probably too late. The oil warning light comes up on the dashboard. The final symptom is the oil warning light appearing on the dashboard. This is the finale. If you wait until the oil warning light comes up, it's usually too late and there's a big risk of damaging other engine components and causing even bigger problems. Also know that the oil light may come up occasionally in the grinding, ticking, and knocking phase of the problem that we've mentioned. It may come up 1 minute only to disappear the other. With bad crankshaft bearings, it is immensely important to react to the problem on time. By doing that, you have a good chance of reducing further damage to the engine. Changing crankshaft bearings is a complicated and expensive job on its own, but it's less than doing a complete engine overhaul. So that's it for this time. We hope the video helps. Please like and subscribe. It's a huge help for what we're doing. Thanks for watching and thanks for your time.